Hi everyone, I'm Terry and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see this video today. I will be doing 2 DIYs, but I will also be doing my very first giveaway. So stay tuned, watch the video, and you'll hear the instructions at the end of how to enter for the giveaway. Let's get started. For my first DIY, this was my inspiration. This is on the Lowe's website. This is $102. These picture frames are so awesome. They're from the Dollar Tree. I paid literally $1 for them, and they're actually really pretty too. I love the way they look. I think this will look really, really nice. So here I've laid out the picture frames to see how I wanted the design to kind of turn out, and I think I like this one, and I think they're all connecting and touching each other, so I'm hoping that this will be perfect enough that I can glue it.
Should be good, but we keep lighting fires. No words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Fires around ourselves, it's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
So that's what it's gonna look like. I think it's gonna look really good. Now I'm just gonna take all the little tabs off. I'm gonna use both E6000 and hot glue.
Should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. We keep on talking and talking, talking and talking. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
I wanted to show you the light fixture that I have. I think doing a geometric wall art would complement this light fixture. This is what I currently have on this wall that I'm doing the wall art for. And it's just this one wall that's in my bathroom. I'm also not that crazy about this wallpaper, which I think I'm gonna add some gold highlights to it. I really like how this turned out, but I feel like I want to redo it, but I really like how it came out. I also noticed after we took down the wall art that part of the wallpaper is peeling. I think I'm going to also redo this wallpaper. But otherwise, I think it looks really good. I think it really complements the light fixture. For the next DIY, I am going to be blinging these makeup brushes. I have seen blinged out makeup brushes anywhere from $60 to over $100. Granted, there are actually, sorry, I gotta put some lotion on, my hands are so dry. Granted, there are some that use Swarovski crystals, which can justify your pricing, but for the most part, they're rhinestones. I'm gonna show you today how you can make your own for less than that. Okay, so I'm starting out with these brushes. These brushes are Ellen Tracy brushes. I got them on Amazon for under $10. Now granted, if you want some super expensive brushes, You know, you can always use your higher end brushes, but for this purpose, I'm just showing you what you can do with any of your brushes, whether it's expensive or not expensive. Super easy. I'm going to be using the E6000. This is the jewelry and bead ones. The nice thing about this one, it has the precision, smaller applicator, so it's easy to use on smaller items. And I'm gonna use, again, my Bling brush, which is starting to get melted down, but still works, so I'm gonna use that. Now, there are two ways you can do this. You can either go straight down, all the way down like that, or you can go around in a circle. So I'm gonna go straight down, just makes it easier, and you'll see how fast and easy this process is. All right, I'll just go. I'm gonna start from the front and literally so I'm gonna be very careful with my first row so that we're starting off on the right track. Like, you don't wanna have one crooked line, then all your lines are gonna be crooked. So you really wanna make sure your first line is straight.
fighting ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm when you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray. Hope is the last thing that I need. Wanna feel something that's real. With you I get that. You're like a lighthouse in a dream, really distant but your beam is guiding me home. So cold yet warm when you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
Hit you with the text on XO. My ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later. But you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
Alright, so that's the last brush. Now we've got all of them blinged up. Look how pretty they are. Let's see, this took me an hour and 40 minutes to do. How beautiful are these? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now let's talk about how to enter for the giveaway. First of all, let me tell you what the giveaway is. I will be giving these gorgeous blinged brushes that we just did. Now, how to enter. 4 things you need to do. 1, you need to like this video. Hopefully you watched the video and you liked it. 2, you need to subscribe to my channel. 3, you need to share this video to your friends and family. And 4, you need to comment below and let me know that you did those 3 things. I'll be announcing the winner on January 25th, 2021. Fortunately, I can only give one set of brushes, but don't be discouraged. I will have other giveaways in the future. I appreciate all of you and I appreciate all of your support. I hope I continue to produce videos that you like, and I hope that you'll comment so that I can get to know you guys better and you to know me better. And until next time, bye-bye.